Nightmare. I apologize, but this is a one-match episode, and it's the debut of the Demolition Wrestling United States Heavyweight Championship. And as I was saying just a second ago, that this will be the first time ever we'll see this man in a championship match. I think he deserves it.
The Eliminator.
So I'm guessing this turned into a triple threat match.
Yeah.
Alright.
And to save me the work of editing. Oh crap, yeah, I have to edit this regardless. Dang nabbit. Arcade. Please load in, yay.
What?
I was saying please load in.
Oh. Well, I'm loaded in.
That hurt. Whoa.
I admit, Temper.
That isn't even like. He's not even mine. He's my brother's.
You also have a nice cartoon phantom with all the tattoos and everything. They fit well together with you.
I'm just warning you now. 8 is fat, but fast.
Okay.
If that makes any sense. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Monday Night Nightmare, and we are officially underway from the Tokyo Dome in Tokyo, Japan. Ooh, that's press.
The victory can be achieved in many different ways, and that it's every man for himself.
Oh, tilt-to-whirl backbreaker. 8 realizing that there's a bigger threat at hand. Oh, clothesline. There by Dawson. Oh, went for the drop kick. Went for the chop block. And now the Ludez press. Oh, bulldog.
You know, I'm not so sure outside is where you want to be. This floor is not very forgiving. Forgiving? Those mats don't cover up this concrete.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Slides into the ring. Kendo stick attempting to use. Catches a punch to the back of the head.
I don't like the look in his eye here, folks. I don't like his entire face.
Knee lift. And he completely missed the elbow. Oh, 8 trying to swing for the fences. Oh, caught a zigzag.
He can't rest on his laurels here. There are 2 other guys
in there. Whoa. 8, 7 feet tall, 600 some odd pounds. Oh, the arm drag.
What a match. I don't disagree. And one thing I'll never do is count this guy out.
Oh, swing for the swing for the fences. Oh, close line.
Are you kidding me? This entire arena may not be big enough.
United States heavyweight title on the line.
He's starting to feel the pressure of this triple threat match, guys. Oh man, he looked incredibly confident coming into this match. Now, not so much.
I don't get how 8 has red damage.
Clearly more comfortable outside the ring.
I need to really work on 8. Oh, whoa, not on the outside. Now ridiculous gut wrench power bomb.
Finisher. This match might be over. He's just getting dissected. Well, this might be the worst yet. The end may be near, folks. The triple threat match is definitely beginning to test his mettle. You know what? I wish
Into
he'd
the
just
steps,
stay in the
really.
ring and fight like a man. Yep. He seemed to be in pretty bad shape right now, but I still think there's some fire left in him. If he keeps up
the
this
double
pace,
knees.
This could turn real ugly real fast. Well, that missed him all right. Hey, did you look before firing? What an idiot. He got him.
What a clothesline.
Man, oh man, did he take a wild swing with that one.
Flippy-doo clothesline.
That was wild indeed. Good thing we're over here. He doesn't want to do this outside the ring. Well, I don't
Swinging neck breaker.
He anticipated that
Up
move
counter off of
perfectly.
8's maneuver. 8 sees the opening. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh!
Good move there.
Face first into the mat.
Oh, trying to put him
Oh,
away.
no. No, the glorious DDT.
That can't be
Cover.
I don't
One.
think- Look at this. Man,
And a kick
we
out
got
at
a lot of
1.
match left. Well, that missed him all right. Hey, did you look before fire? He's doing everything he can to get his bearings back here. Otherwise, this match
Oh,
could be over
8.
sooner than anyone could have
Smelling the
anticipated.
coffee.
Yeah, Cole, this is when you have to settle things
Jawbreaker.
down. Get the blood flowing back in your body.
I even forgot
and
where his
strategize
comeback
what
is.
Your next move or your next form of attack will be.
Oh,
He's
neck
stumbling
breaker.
some now. You can bet this is not how he drew this one up. Well, these guys have been so tight.
Oh, the roll up.
Do it right there. I think this thing's over. He's
1,
to the entire
2 count, a
WWE
kick out there by 8.
This is a wreck. He's moving like an uncaged animal.
Oh, desk press from 8.
And now it is show-off time. Don't waste time gloating here. Oh, that's gonna hurt.
Oh, drop kick.
Now he just wants that insult to injury. Yeah, this guy's a mean
Oh,
streak.
8 ran through him. Oh.
And he gets out of the ring, stopping this assault
And now
for the moment.
they are wondering now why
Well,
it won't go down, and that's probably why the desk press.
No, makes it. He anticipated that
Oh,
move
the
perfectly.
backbreaker.
I don't know if we've seen that from him before. I mean, it's definitely a first tonight. This is great. This guy will try anything. Look at those eyes.
Oh no, looking for
this could be big.
the double Willy bomb or whatever he wants to go for. Oh, overhead attempt.
He was one step ahead on that one.
8 trying to find it home. Oh, gracious. Double knees.
Smart strategy there.
Smack dad to the face. An H crusher.
Just crumbled there. Maneuvers like that put everybody in danger. No kidding. That's awful.
Oh no. 8 smelling blood. Jawbreaker. Whiff for the clothesline. Oh, double underhook. Tiger bomb to 8. 1. Broken up.
They roll out of the ring, hoping to
Oh,
recover
smart
here.
move. Oh, the referee out of the ring.
Oh my, what thunderous impact. Just
Oh,
making
kick to the
his presence
chest.
felt there.
Kick to the chest.
Oh, man,
Spin
that'll
kick.
scramble your insides.
Kendo. Oh!
Rolling out of harm's way. Smart strategy there.
Ooh, only seconds. Only seconds. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, apparently. Hold on.
The more punishment he takes, the slower and slower he is getting back to his feet.
Oh, shots in midsection. And right after this, we will have the finalists. We'll have the winner of this match face Johnny Sabin for the United States title. Either at the pay-per-view battle lines or right after. Oh, 8 with the 8th driver connecting.
I'd say not much longer. Can he score the pin?
1.
Shoulders up, it's only 2. My God, what's it going to take? I don't know. I can't believe this.
I understand some people get mad at other people's decisions.
Juju
Drizzy.
He may be in the best physical condition I've ever seen him in.
Which is the extreme, and you're getting just whacked right in the head, like bing bong.
The tension, the drama. This is electric.
Oh, he broke his neck.
There are few better.
And 8 is the only man left standing here. Oh, 8 was thinking about the 8 sins.
These guys are giving it absolutely everything they've got. They're not holding anything.
All right. Oh, the backbreaker. And, oh, Fruit Loop drag to 8.
Uh-oh. He's in position, ready to strike. Whoa. He's
Oh, no. Looking perhaps for a neck breaker of some sort. Shades of Platinum Kid, and it is the neck breaker. And now going into the cover.
We got a cover.
1 and a kick out.
That's a kick out. Nice. I don't believe it. He
Up,
refuses
8
to
with the
lose.
backflip. Now back into the ring on the cheap drop kick right as soon as he entered the ring. Oh, whoa. Pele kick.
When you go at an opponent like this, it means you're out for blood. The
Oh,
WWE
8
will go
spiked him
right
down.
Trust me,
DDT.
It's going to get ugly. Playing mind games.
Oh,
A
shoot.
little intimidation there.
8 caught again, face first.
Perfectly. Uh-oh, trying to put him
And
away.
now another glorious DDT. And has the kendo stick.
Rolling out of the ring, and after what we just
8
saw, I can't
taking
believe
a
he can still
breather
stand.
there.
Yeah, that was vicious. And he rolls out, buying himself some breathing room.
Trying to come for 8. Oh, 8 saw it coming. And he got caught.
I feel about yours. King, once you get outside the ring, anything can happen. Yeah, and it usually does. Over the years, I've seen more careers
Oh,
come to
knee
an
drop.
end outside of the ring than I can remember. This area is so dangerous.
Oh no. What was 8 looking for? Whatever it was not to an effect. Kicked off.
At some point, the referee may want to think about stopping this one before somebody gets
God.
seriously injured.
Hold on. I think I know what it is. Yeah.
I don't know how much
Should
longer
clear
he's
up
gonna
any
be able to
second.
go.
Oh, forearm.
That landed like a ton of bricks.
11, so bad.
Like,
We let the light calm down.
What a
I just
counter
closed
that
something
was.
that was probably causing the lag, so we should be alright for now. Oh, double waist lock. Headbutt.
He was
Counter.
one step ahead on that one.
Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Looking for the 8 sins. 8 sins. Connecting.
Each of these
8
competitors
to win
is
his
looking for the
first number
slightest.
1 contendership.
I think so.
1, 2. My gosh, the ref was like legit dead on that count.
More.
Oh no, the
More you willing to pay to win this
Uranagi.
match? This is unreal.
Oh, now looking for the rings of Saturn.
Looking for the exclamation point. He needs to dig way down deep if he wants to keep going. Oh,
Rings
submission. The
of
ball's locked in.
Saturn.
There may be no stopping him. And there's the release. What's going to happen now? I'm scared to ask. How much more? How much more are you willing to pay to win this match? This is unreal.
8 back to his
Boy, he
feet.
is really tired now. That tank of his has to be reading empty.
We apologize for the technical difficulties here on Tuesday Night Nightmare.
Stay down. Stay down.
I didn't say that.
This
Oh,
match
there
has
goes the
taken
ref.
So much out of this guy. He's not going to give up. But man, this has been physical. He's pulling out all the stops tonight.
Now, perhaps looking for got it, a swinging neck breaker.
This evening. And that was awesome. Oh, wait, nice reversal. Oh, that has got to be it.
Oh, the
damage has been
Enziguri.
done. Folks, this could
But
be the beginning
8
of the end for
says
here in this
not
triple threat
today.
match. Hold on.
We saw him end the match with this
And the win.
at Worlds Collide, Northern Lights.
2.
You were about to say nothing.
I'm having a hard time
Oh,
figuring out what they're going to do next. Me too. I've given up even trying to figure out what they're going to do.
Clothesline there from 8. Oh.
He wants no part of the outside. And I don't blame him. Nothing
8 went for another super kick. Oh, off the middle rope, 8.
A move like that's low. It's appalling, if you ask me. Totally disrespectful. Well, when he sees the belt,
unfortunately, he did.
It's got to be hard to rebound from that one. Oh, this isn't over yet.
Oh, you muppet. You bloody muppet.
What guts? When he gets going like this, there are few better. I think he's through.
Oh, no. Out the 69 driver. Nailed it.
Way down deep if he wants to keep going now. Here we go for the win.
1, 2. And a kick out at 2.
What a hellaciously physical match these gladiators have put themselves through. The intensity of this has been incredible. You're right about that, Cole.
Yeah.
This has been fun to watch, but
8 went after him.
How much more? How much more are you willing to pay to win this match? This is unreal.
Back
inside the ring now.
Just kill. It's not wrestling since expansion.
Rolling out of harm's way. Smart strategy there. This is what makes him one of the
Here comes
best
8.
in the business. And he gets out of the ring, stopping this assault for the moment.
And here comes 8 again.
Perhaps feeling a little more comfortable on
Oh,
the
gracious. Director's cut to the ref. Like, legit, really.
Momentum has shifted back and forth repeatedly.
Oh,
between
super
these
kick.
superstars.
You should start reversing some things. He's going for the BS boot.
Man, he's still down after that move. I almost wonder if his bell got seriously.
BS boot. The BS boot connecting.
Will this be it? It may be.
1. Oh, 2. There's a little lag there.
And the triple threat is over. This place is going nuts.
Technically, kind of haven't. Because now, I guess we should just, to be fair to everyone, a fatal 4-way.
Yeah, who cares, Phantom? You're just a loser anyway.
I'm what?
You heard what I said.
I'm not a loser. I'm a winner. Trying to pin your dumbass.
Not all the
Hey-o!
time.
Dude, I'm the hardcore champion.
I'm a hardcore champion. That's the 3rd lowest belt in Demolition Wrestling.
No, how about
Alright,
you
Caleb,
take a
ready
seat?
to burst my bubble.
Phantom, go ahead, take a seat.
I'm already sat down. Oh, this is
No, I mean, go sit in the back where you belong.
What?
The
Oh.
Eliminator.
How do I deserve to go to the back when I just pinned you? I don't want you to go to the back, it should be you.
No, you didn't beat me. You pinned Temper.
Pinned you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Allow me to clear up the situation. what had happened was, during the victory 3 count, the referee's hand went 1, 2, lag 3. It wasn't a clean 1, 2, 3. Therefore, that's why I'm saying restart the match. There was lag in the deciding pinfall. And now, since everybody has an issue, I say get in here and we can settle it in the ring. Now hit my music.
Did you hear what Arcade said, Caleb?
Yeah, I heard what he said.
Yeah, I think Phantom won this where there was clearly no lag.
But then again, even though we would still had to have done the match with Gabe in it. Yeah, get on with your lives.
That's okay, we can do a rematch. I'm fine with it.
As long as I get to play matches, that's. I just want to play for fun, not for
Ring the bell.
serious. Yo.
One of the aspects to this
Bump
type of
for
match which
8.
makes it so interesting is that it can lead to the formation of
Oh,
unlikely
shell bump for
alliances.
8.
Just another thing to have to worry about when you're competing against 3 other superstars all at the same time.
Oh man, am I ready for this? In the fatal 4-way, you take the advantage wherever you can find it. But hey, the fans
What's
in the
happening?
Windy City
Cluster.
could not care less about all this hype. They just want to witness some WWE greatness.
Trust me, he has a lot of things that you don't know he has.
Oh, what a painful kick!
That back is in dire straits right now. You have to possess a different type of focus to punish an opponent like this.
Yeah, you really have to enjoy hurting someone.
He fell into 8 and
Right on the bridge of the nose.
you guys are just trying to kill 8, aren't you?
He looks a bit off his game here, but he's not appearing too worse for wear, at least not yet anyway.
And it looks to me like neither of these guys are showing signs of pulling away here. Well, it's hard to argue that, but I'd say this one could go either way.
Up, Johnny Saban into the ring, handspring,
This guy's kicks are
into
so
Guri.
impactful.
Oh!
Now back to the ring.
Went for the
He's certainly showing us something
natural drop
new
kick.
from his repertoire.
That's cool. I like new stuff.
He almost took his head off with that lariat. Look at him
Oh
move.
God.
What acrobatics.
Yeah, but can he juggle?
He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle.
Yeah, I wonder what the view's like from up there. You don't want to get caught outside the ring for too long.
Clearly on a mission here.
Up, 8 fireman's carry. Up, slipping down, reverse DDT.
It's got to be hard to rebound from that one.
Somehow, he's kicked it into another gear here tonight.
Oh shoot.
Nicely avoided there.
Oh.
He's starting to stumble here.
There we
all
go.
three of the superstars he's up
Saban
against won't back down
flies.
at any point during this match.
Here's the deal with this guy. You can knock him around all you like, but he's just going to keep getting up and coming back at you. It's a good point, John. And I'd say this match is about
Oh,
as
the
even
double
as it
knees.
can get at this point.
He gets out of trouble there. And that was a huge counter. Really pushing his opponent to the limit here.
Prestige working together. Combination. Oh, 8 says, and he gets caught with a sling blade.
Michael, this might very well be where one of these guys pulls away from the other.
Oh, man.
Oh, standing corkscrew.
It would not be a cakewalk. Just trying to goad his opponent
8.
into making a mistake here.
Oh, 8 just like.
Oh, they couldn't find a home for that one. Well,
Oh, the knee into the clothesline.
Uh-oh, big move coming.
Back from the dead. It's 8.
Can he follow up?
For oh God, 8 has his comeback.
Nice reversal there.
Let him come back in peace.
To the entire
Darn
WWE
it!
locker room here. He may be in
The
best
comeback's in the
physical condition.
corner.
He's endured heavy blows here.
Went
I don't know
for
how much
it.
longer he can go. The referee
And
may have to
8
call this match, King.
on the
Oh my gosh,
reversal.
this is a great
Oh,
counter.
gracious. And now 8. 1
He kicks out.
broken up.
Oh, nicely done. Yeah, real nicely done. I can't believe he's in this.
Oh, to the back of the head.
Oh, his body has to be broken right now.
8.
Expanding the repertoire with that move. Watch out! I just can't get over what we saw.
Oh, gracious.
So great.
What a maneuver.
Just look at this. You can see the results.
Oh,
from that
sling
move.
blade.
Superstars are as dominant as this guy.
Almost
What
backflipped
a
out of the ring.
combination. You just don't know what's coming next. Punishing attack on the body.
And multiple strikes.
He's pressing
Oh.
all the right buttons now.
Oh.
And escaping to the outside, a veteran move to avoid the pinfall. I don't know if that's a veteran move or cowardice. Rolling out of the ring, and it might be time for him to reassess the situation. Trying to get under his opponent's skin with this one. And he zeroes in
Suplex.
on the back of his head.
In
Oh, taking
Ziguri.
out his own partner again, but remember, it's fatal forward rules. Every man for himself.
He's like, nah, I don't want to see 8. Me and
He's in full
oh,
attack
forearm.
mode now. You just knew a match of this caliber was going to spill out on the floor eventually. I mean, when you put these two
Oh, and now
competitors
Wood
together,
being
anything's gonna
introduced.
happen.
We have not seen 8 in quite some time. We do not know what he's capable of.
Clearly getting the better of him here.
Wow, these guys aren't giving an inch, but at some point, one of
God,
them
not
gotta
the
start
Kendo.
pulling away, which is what we might be
Oh,
seeing
kendo
right
stick
now.
making a cameo in this match. Oh, God.
He's undoubtedly one of the most prideful
Table somehow didn't
superstars currently on the roster, other than yourself. Really pushing his opponent to the limit here. The more punishment he takes, the slower and slower he is getting back to his feet.
8
Jesus
all the way
Christ.
across the ring.
What?
No, not a double stack.
No! Oh my God! Holy Jesus Christ!
Just trying to goad his opponent into
8
making a
back
mistake
flips
here.
in approval.
Matt Dawson is
Too
getting
busy
back
grabbing
up
and
from
punching
it.
and then battling in this match.
He took
Oh.
that like a man.
I'm surprised the table doesn't break when 8 stands right here.
Yeah, due to his weight.
Back is the largest area on the human body, and his heartless attack continues. Oh man, this is getting tough to watch.
Ooh, went for the flying cheeseburger.
Every
Known as
time he has to get up,
Oh.
it takes more and more effort.
And another desk press because reasons.
Rolling out of harm's way. Smart strategy there.
Oh, Saban right after
Huge
8.
headlock. And now what?
Headlock.
Back between the ropes.
Applying more pressure.
Are you kidding me?
There are a few better.
Sorry for my
He doesn't
cheerleader.
want to do this outside the ring. Well, I don't.
Guys.
He's in full-on attack mode now. Reversal.
Oh,
He was one step
oh,
ahead
there's the
of
counter.
that.
Backstabber.
Destruction no one was expecting. I certainly didn't expect
And after
to
the
see this kind of
backstabber, the
damage.
leg
It doesn't
drop.
get much more dastardly than that.
Oh, rolled through into a zigzag.
Man, what a shot.
This is an awesome back and forth.
Here we go.
Oh, getting back in the ring.
Extra slow getting back to his base here.
Oh, 8 looking for the pawn toss. Connecting.
This might not end well.
Ring.
And stunner.
And he's heading back in. I can't blame him.
Oh, that's
Being relentless, but I think most would agree repeating a specific move is an unorthodox approach. Well, this guy seems to think it's
Cover on 8 for the United States title. 1-2. And broken up at 2. Oh, and a neck breaker. Beat him up, break his neck.
Oh no.
I completely agree. The way things are going,
I can't.
Oh, 8 cover.
My gosh, this is a beating. Oh, geez.
Oh, kick to the back of the head. Gee willikers.
Back to the ring.
Saban back in. Crossbody. Oh, Saban in prime position. Saban's in prime position. Oh, not anymore.
Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other. Well, that's a strategy you have to always have in the back of your head, Cole. If you ever see a weakness in your opponent,
senton there. Oh, devastating clothesline. Saban.
I'm not sure he can get back to
Rolling downhill.
Oh, Saban nailed it. Oh, code blue.
He can take much more. Don't be surprised if he can't find a way to bounce back here in this fatal four-way match. You know, given how many times he's gone to his finisher, you'd think he'd be in better shape right here. Man, I can't believe these guys are even still competing. What a match. Big D, right on the bridge of the... All right, looks like he's in no man's land here.
Trying to figure out what his next move is. Oh, I think he found it. It was a suplex countered Northern Lights.
To clear the cobwebs and regroup. He's
Oh, little tap on the forearm. A full flush one there.
Oh, a serious knockout
Gets
blow.
caught looking for a suplex. Oh, nope, the cradle. Rockin' my baby right into the gut buster.
This has been a war. You're right about that, Cole. This has been one of the most physical battles I've witnessed in a long, long time.
On the back flip. Spike Rana. Oh, God.
This match has taken so much out of this guy.
Oh, there's a flip.
He's not going to give up.
Saban's
But
escape,
man,
maybe? Oh,
this
nope,
has
the
been
gator
physical.
roll.
If he keeps this up, this will be over in no time. How much more? How much more are you willing to pay to win this match? This is unreal. Oh, and he got dropped.
Drop kick there to 8. Oh, 8. Really?
There may be no coming back from
Really?
this incredible beatdown.
Now I know who 8's going after. Oh, good, a director's cut. Now you should roll out.
Nice reversal.
8, backbreaker clutch. Countered, flatliner. Oh, there's the cheeky roll up. Cheeky. 1 count, breaking up. Ooh, there's the kick to the side of the head. Good night, sweet prince.
He's going to be able to go.
Oh!
What a shot. How much more? How much more are you willing to pay to win this match? This is unreal. Oh, and he missed that one. God, that's gotta hurt. Yeah, you're not doing any damage with swings like that, but keep doing it. The breeze may give him a
Oh, here comes 8. Oh, 8 eating alive here tonight.
Dropped. And that was a hard shot.
And oh, the leg drop. Hulk Hogan style. Leg drop.
He scored the pin.
One.
The kick out comes just in the nick of time. I have no idea what's keeping this competitor going. It's simply amazing. There's no keeping this guy down tonight.
8.
Wow, that was a wild strike. Talk about missing the target. Yeah, it looked like it was completely out of desperation. There's the clothesline.
Oh, God. 8 clotheslines. Forearm attempts.
Man, oh man, did he take a wild swing with that one. You're right. That was wild indeed. Good thing we're over here.
8 looking for the suplex. And Northern Lights again. And he rolls out. 8 was a house of fire there for the few seconds.
I don't think so.
Oh, chop block.
He didn't need a GPS to find the mark. Hey, look at this. He's just barely moving. I'm not sure he can get back to his feet. Wow, he's still down after that.
Oh, swatted away.
Showing no signs of letting up. What a catch.
Brody went for something there.
He saw that one coming.
Went for the combination. Up, swinging neck breaker. Swinging neck breaker. Oh. Counter there.
And I think he's begging him to bring it.
Up. Counter there from 8.
And I don't blame him. Nothing good ever.
Suplex of his own.
He's delivering an old-fashioned butt kicking right
Oh,
here.
down goes Saban. 8. Feeling it.
Boy, he is really tired now. That tank of his has to be reading empty. It has to be, King. But I still don't see him giving up.
Oh, great. Hurricane Rana. 8 rolls out.
Something new.
Oh, God.
Deliberate at this point. Oh, what a shot. Not a lot of spring left in his step
Now,
right
Brody.
now. He was able to reverse that.
Oh, counter. Swinging neck breaker.
Some serious pain here. He's too busy bragging and boasting than battling in this matchup. He gets out of trouble there. So damaging.
Oh.
That landed like a ton of bricks. This match has taken so much out of this guy. He's not going to give up.
Oh,
Man,
God.
This has been physical. He's too busy bragging and boasting than battling in this
Saban
matchup.
saying a prayer.
Watch
And
out.
8 rolls over.
Tremendous action in this match.
Elbow drop is missed. Death press. Oh, ooh, 8 gets the
I can feel the breeze all the
knee.
way over here. When he gets going like this, there are few better.
8 bumps for no one.
Well, I don't blame him. He was one step ahead on that one. Going for broke.
Oh, great. Again.
Reversal.
Face first.
Going to the
Good
top.
job, 8.
Nice
You
move.
really
That
did
was a
yourself a good
dangerous
one.
move. He needs to dig way down deep if he wants to keep going now. Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, the double foot stomp.
That should be it.
Oh, into the sneaky cover. 1.
He kicked out,
Kick out from 8.
I can't believe it. Oh my gosh, I'm in shock.
Oh,
Can you believe the
shoot.
endurance of this guy? Can you believe what he's withstood here tonight? We have a first here this evening. That was awesome.
Yeah, hey.
Boot connects. Man, oh man.
Neck
did he take a
breaker.
wild swing with that one. This could do it. Maybe it.
1,
Really pushing
2.
his opponent to the limit here.
8.
These competitors
8
need
wants
to have their heads
sandwich.
on a swivel if they want to survive this fatal four-way match.
8 with the death press again.
Good move there. Oh, nice counter. He anticipated that move perfectly.
Oh, shucky.
Boy, he is really tired now. That tank of his has to be reading empty. It has to be, King.
Oh, shoot.
But I still don't see him giving up. Dishing out some serious punishment here. And he
I feel,
rolls out,
excuse me.
buying himself some breathing room. Could
8
this be
into
it?
the cover.
I think so.
1.
Kick out. He almost had
Oh,
it.
shoot.
Oh my goodness. How is this not over? I can't believe it. He gets it all the way. I don't know if we we've seen that from him before. I mean, it's definitely a first tonight.
This is great. This guy will try anything. Oh,
8 with the clothesline. He's 8.
He's just barely moving.
I'm
not sure he can get back to his feet.
Nobody home there.
Nobody home. Cole, that looked like the house has been empty for months.
Bulldogged.
Back now inside the ring.
Death press.
Rolling out of the ring. And it might be time for him to reassess the situation.
Oh, knee to the arm. Go for the chop block. And 8 says, all right, I'm fat. I need to take a breather.
You wonder what's going through these guys' minds in a match of this magnitude.
Could be looking for the BS boot. Oh.
I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next.
Me too.
Oh,
that
was almost on the calf.
I'm just sitting back watching and enjoying. He's showing no signs of letting up.
Oh, they couldn't find a home for that one.
Well, it certainly wasn't due to a lack of trying, Michael.
Showing a great deal of faith and trust in that move.
I admit 8's moveset needs to be updated. Like, badly.
Hey, targeting the head.
Hey, he's a basketball player.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I let my brother, like, freely customize 8's moveset. And I need to edit it badly. Oh, crap.
Nobody controls the pace of a match.
How dare you disturb 8 during dinner?
Condition I've ever seen him in. Keep your eye on this one.
Yeah, this should be good. Whoa, he's measuring.
Oh, looking for another one.
That's gotta hurt.
Yeah.
Ooh, 8 just eating it like it's his job. The coup de grace.
Oh, his body has to be broken right now.
Oh, the cheeky roll up.
The schoolboy might do it here.
I think it's
One. And this lag, yeah.
I don't remember the last time he executed that maneuver. And he's heading back in.
I can't blame him.
Small punch.
That'll put you on
Oh,
Dream
reverse neck breaker. Ooh, 8.
And he fails to connect with anything that time.
Man, that was some miss, all right. I can feel the breeze all the way over here.
He's
And now Saban. Russian leg sweep.
He's pulling out all the stops tonight.
Oh, went for it. Dropped down behind, neck breaker.
Nice reversal. And he goes for the
Off the neck breaker, 1.
And
And a kick out.
Wow, what a display of heart and determination.
Now back to the ring.
Oh, the kick. Oh, Saban got caught there by 8.
Huge maneuver. I don't know if it was so wise. It was out of necessity.
Oh. Oh.
Looks like he's pinpointing the back.
Bisquick.
Oh my word, what a slam.
It Destino.
He needs to dig way down deep if he wants to keep going now. Oh, his body has to be broken right now. Really pushing his opponent to the limit here.
You have to possess a different type of focus to punish an opponent like this.
Yeah, you really have to enjoy hurting someone.
Oh.
And that shot was dialed in. Look at this. He's just
And
barely
Dawson
moving.
just staring at
I'm
Saban.
not sure he can get back to his feet. What a shot.
Oh. Saban tickling the toes. Oh, right. Pop the eyes.
Here we go.
Oh, Tiger Bomb incoming? No. Counter, perhaps into the clothesline. Yes, it is. Kick to the back of the hamstring there from 8. Oh! clothesline. Oh, shot to the knee. Counter there by 8. 8 was looking for the pawn toss. Oh! Yo, you're dealing with the X Factor.
Well, that messed him all right.
Oh,
Hey, did you look
what we do?
before, Murray?
Clothesline.
What an idiot.
Sabin back in the ring.
Damage did that.
Clotheslined out of the ring.
From the looks of it.
He was rejected to enter the United States in that clothesline. Oh, in the rings of Saturn. I'm trying to run. Like 8 won't move.
He wants no part. Wait a minute.
Refusing to give in there. What sheer
Oh,
determination.
shoulder tackle. And Bulldog.
To make that face unrecognizable.
Death press.
Awesome king in commentary. That was a really astute point. Look how slow he is to recover here. That was some serious punishment. Boy,
Went for the
he is
flying
really
foot.
tired now.
Oh, went for the
That
kick.
tank of his has to be
Oh,
reading
went for the
empty.
punch.
It has to be
Kicked
taken.
right in the
I still
mouth.
don't see him giving up.
How much more? Great counter.
Oh, went for the kick.
What a
8
crushing
clothesline.
blow to the ribs.
Saw him coming. Oh, flew right into that.
Takes him another. And there it is again. I like it. If it works, keep on doing it. Well,
And the spin kick to the midsection.
Good thing here, right, Cole? Even ain't broke. Don't fix it.
Oh!
He's too busy bragging and boasting than battling in this matchup.
Oh no.
Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other. Well, that's
Oh,
a strategy.
death press in the forearms.
If you ever see a weakness in your opponent, you got to jump on it. He's inflicting some serious pain here. Off the ropes with a
Oh,
beautiful senton.
flipped
Oh, my.
over.
That
8
was very
rolling out of the ring for what could be the 8th time tonight.
Look at this. What a
Oh,
counter
went for the
that
kick.
was. He's making a statement here with
Oh,
this attack.
he has his eyes on someone else. Double
Right to
knees.
his face here.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Sabin's escape. Sabin's escape.
Submission locked in, and this might be it.
8.
He looks absolutely unstoppable. Whoa!
Would you look at this? Can you believe it? This is an undying will to succeed.
Ace crusher.
We haven't seen that one tonight. I love something new. There are all sorts of things he can do
Oh.
to an opponent after a takedown like that.
Trying to get under his opponent's skin with this one.
8 just trying to keep his composure.
Thrown out with authority. Man, he
Oh, on the forearm.
I don't know how much longer he's going to be able to go.
Oh, went for it.
Anticipated that move perfectly.
That landed
Uppercut
square
from
on the
8.
He doesn't want to do this outside the ring.
Oh, taking both of them out with that gut clothesline.
His nose
Oh,
might end up
death
where his
press.
ear is by the time this one's
And
over.
multiple
He wants to go
punches.
outside.
All of this for the inaugural Demolition Wrestling United States Heavyweight Championship.
Long-term injuries for sure. This match has taken so much out of this guy. He's not going to give up. But man, this has been physical. Hey now. He thinks he
Cover. 1, 2.
If he gets
Kick
going
out
like
at 2.
this, there are few better.
He's too busy bragging and boasting than battling in this matchup.
And he's heading back in. I can't believe
Discus clothesline.
Phantom actually tried to.
He's pulling out all the stops tonight. Oh, wait, nice reversal.
Up, roll up.
This could do it. Yeah,
1, 2. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. 8 rolls through.
And
8
this
rolls
has gotta
through.
be it.
1,
That's it. It's over.
2. Yes, I saw it.
I can't help but think of his risk of internal
And
injuries at this
body
point in time.
slam.
This could get real serious.
Handspring. Went for the enziguri.
He needs to dig way down deep if he wants
Eight's just
to keep
like, what
going
am I
down.
doing anymore? Kick to the side of the head. Oh, gracious. Discus clothesline.
So much of that. In a boot to the gut.
Up.
He's making
Shot.
a statement
Up.
here with this attack.
Went for the tiger bomb.
What a smart move.
Clothesline. Off the clothesline. Not this way. Not this way. 2 count, a kick out. 8. Just like
He wants no part of the outside.
having issues getting into the ring.
Nothing good ever happens outside the ring. Looks like he's having trouble staying in the ring. That'll leave a mark on your face.
In the multiple right hands.
Somehow, he's kicked it into another gear here tonight.
8 trying to get him some. And he got some gut buster. Oh, 8's dodging the kick. Oh no, not this. Not this. Saban's escape. 8's first encounter in the hold, I believe.
Suddenly, he's in control.
Oh, and that's it.
And he has to tap out.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the match in the inaugural Demolition Wrestling United States Heavyweight Champion, Johnny Saban. Congratulations. Meltdown. Goodbye. Mwah. It's good night. Bang.